Hello everyone, and welcome to a short tutorial on how to create a new waveform setup and test sequence. We're going to do this for a 1S meter, and so I'm going to come here to waveform setup, and a 1S meter is normally a 120 volt meter. It's a 2-wire single phase meter. So I'm going to pick the 2-wire 120 volt, which is what is pre-programmed into this device, test sequence. I am going to say copy. I'm going to change the name to 240 volts. And then I'm going to just get rid of the word copy. Then I'm going to come down and actually change the voltage to 240 volts. So now I have 2-wire, single phase, full load, 240 volts at test amps, power factor equal unity, sinusoidal waveform. And I'm going to say save. Okay. Then I'm going to pick the power factor version of that same waveform, make a copy, change the name, get rid of the copy, change the voltage, and say save. And finally, I'm going to do the light load version. Okay. Same thing, make a copy, change the voltage in the name, change the voltage in the setup, and say save. Now I've created the 3 waveforms that I want to use in my test sequence. Now I'm going to go to test sequence, and first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select this test sequence. I'm going to make a copy. I'm going to change the name. And now I'm going to pick the power factor unity 240 volt waveform, the power factor unity light load waveform, and the power factor at 0.5 240 volt waveform. So now I've got my 3 240 volt waveforms. If I wanted to change anything else about the setup, I could. If I wanted to change the tag, I could. That's all I'm going to do. So now I'm going to say save. Now if I come back and I select a meter, my 240 volt version of the test is available for testing. And so that's how you create custom waveforms and a custom test sequence.